Welcome to our 5,000 square foot Viking Electric Solution Center. We employ full-time associates dedicated to modifications and assembly services. Our Solution Center is here to serve as an extension of your staff to help improve project efficiencies and get the job done right. When it comes to product assemblies, our Solution Center will serve as an extension of your production facility so you can meet your customer demand. With this in mind, we provide a variety of assembly services including circuit breaker assemblies, load center and panel board assemblies, wire assemblies, auxiliary and junction box assemblies, terminal block assemblies, and strut assemblies. If you have additional assembly needs, our Solution Center would like to explore it. Whether you have an increase in project demand, a labor shortage, or simply want to improve your production floor or job site efficiencies, let Viking Electric's Solution Center be your solution.